All right, here we go. We're back at Yesteryear in Hanover, Pennsylvania. Let's see what I've been missing. Well, immediately upon walking in, I see this blow mold lamb, $10. That is fantastic. Definitely a harder to find one. I'm gonna grab that for sure. Weird babies and a glass banana. Oh, good grief. It looks like they've restocked. Well, the first thing I see, that's beautiful, the fountain. It's actually this orange one that's really calling me. And of course, it's 30% off. I think I'll be taking that. It's a big Viking compote. Oh, man. Yeah, all kinds of different stuff they've stocked in this case. This is a very interesting bottle opener. I love that cowboy. And then what's this? Huh. Whoa, how did I not see that immediately? That pottery vase is insane. And this, they have Blanco question mark, but I'd be willing to bet pretty much anything that it is Blanco. And it's amazing. Maybe not for me. Pretty picky about my sizes and colors. Gosh, I can't wait to get in here. Look at how, oh, and they have the garlics. Those are so fun. All kinds of stuff in here. Some new bangles I see they put in. What about down here? We'll start down here. I like the little cherry blossom tree. That's quite sweet. And what is this? Israel. 13 pottery. Camel handmade in Israel. That's kind of cool. I remember Jacob telling me that that vendor was buying all the Israeli pottery. Huh. And up here, this little vintage paper mache stocking kitty. That's kind of fun. It comes to like $7 too. It's kind of a weird shape. I love the fish, Mexican folk art style. And then let's see what they put in over here. Oh, that's such a fun canister set. The pink. Love the font on that. 25% off everything. Well, let's start here. Roseville, that's really pretty. Little carnival glass. It's a little stubby one. Tom and Jerry. This is really nice. I kind of like that it's striped. I see it's got a little nick on it, though. Price is right, for sure. If I was using that for decor, I would grab that. What about over here? Is this the same vendor? I think so. This is kind of pretty. Art glass. That's got serious weight to it. This is a super fun case. Last time I was here, I grabbed some really fun cats out of here. Now this theme stuff seems to be dogs. He's pretty fabulous. He's got a book. He's got a ball. Those are really fun. I like that style, especially the green one. And one of my favorite little nooks of salt and pepper shakers. Well, you know, these are the first one I see. They're contemporary, but they're so much fun. I don't see a tag on them. Bet I could ask. The other ones I see are these little Napco sleeping mice. Those are so cute. $6. I'll take those guys. Is there any other ones? Whoa, look at this planter. Cat with fishbowl. That's very cool. Made in Japan. I've never seen that before. It's $13 and 10% off. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and pay up for that. It's probably a little less than what I'd get for it, but after fees, I mean, but it's just so unique. And I love the Bambi planter. How fabulous. It's got a hairline though. These are really unique. Look at these. Norman Bum copper enamel chickadee. Really cool. I've never seen one like that. I love the style. Well, remember when I said that I really liked the St. Clair bird and I wish it was a different color. Well, here you go. Here's a yellow one, and it's even less. This one's 15 and 10% off. I will be grabbing that. The other thing, before I even do anything else, I have to address this fish. What is happening here? It's a flower frog. It's a hobbyist piece, but it's so much fun. Oh my gosh, I love that. Also, like, wait a minute. There's also the Joseph Originals little cats. That's so cute. I think I looked at that the last time and it just moved. Yeah, that's really fun. I also like this little cherry blossom pattern. Kind of resembles cherry blossoms. I've never seen the pineapple. That's pretty neat. And then the bird, the Viking bird, its tail is beyond cut. I feel like I want to give this to Dagny and have her make some like fantastic thing on its tail. So funny. And that blue Jefferson glass vase back there is pretty nice as well. Look at this unusual plate. What is that? Queen of the Night. That's very cool. I'm not usually into that kind of thing, but the image on that is awesome. Little poodle figurine. That's adorable. $5. He needs to come with us for $5. And then here, this turtle. I can't remember if this was here the last time. It's really quite fantastic. Look at his weird face. And here's another funny little poodle. $5. I've had that one before. Here's a little pink one. That's so cute. $5. I feel like the pink spaghetti poodles are getting harder and harder to find. I think I'm just going to grab it since it is pink. It's so cute. What is this unusual pig? Polish pottery. Very, very different. I love his expression. Well, what do we have here? Anthropomorphic fork and spoon salt and pepper shakers at $4. That's a steal. We'll take those. How fun. I can't believe they're not repaired. Wow, how gorgeous is that blue spooky nutcracker thing? Wow, he's wild. Ooh, that's really pretty too. Uranium. Wait a minute. That is pretty epic. Although at 32, I don't think it leaves as much room as I'd like. Definitely room for a couple bucks, but it's kind of close. These Imperial opalescent ones actually go for a little bit more than I thought. Probably won't double my money by any means after fees, but it's just a cool item to be able to get my hands on. Normally, they're much more expensive than this when I see them out. Here's another Imperial in that kind of periwinkle color, 1950. So pretty. And the Japanese vase. I still really like this pilgrim owl. I've been super into the pilgrim glass animals recently, especially after my many trips to West Virginia. Oh my gosh, I thought that was a person. Kind of seeing the different variations they make. It's really interesting. Over here, really neat little crackle glass apple. What are these weird vases? Hold on, what is this? Oh, unfortunately, it's got some damage. But, yeah, these are super weird. This one definitely sticks out to me as being the strangest. Is this, like, signed or something? No idea what that is. Aztec Man turquoise. That's so strange. Look at this face one. These are so freaking cool. I have no idea what they are. But they're really awesome. I love the face in them. These two are clearly my favorite. Definitely gonna get those. Yeah, those like hand-blown turquoise faces are so cool. Love the UNESCO cats. I've had those a few times recently. Stop it right now. Look at this pink elephant planter. It's got a monkey on its butt. $6? What? Why is it $6? It's got some crazing, but like, that's amazing. is so stupid cute. I'm definitely gonna buy that. Well, this sticks out to me. Look at this weird, I think it's Chinese, this pink hobnail vase. It's just kind of neat. I like the color of it. $20, so $16 with the discount. Wait a minute. Up here, this definitely catches my eye. It's a little glass snake. $4.50. I'm gonna get a key. Is that iguana? It is. How amazing is that? I wish that was a little bit less. I would totally pick that up. Here's another fun booth. Looks like they've restocked since I've been here last. Pink depression glass divided tray. That's quite nice. I wonder if that one glows. Some of them, I feel like some of them glow green. I can't remember. Not that one. Some cows here. That's fun. I never see it with that matte. It's almost like a satin finish to it. Little close. Those usually sell for me for about $15. That one's got a chip, the green and yellow one. That's a pretty decent one. This is really fun. The mini cow. I've had that one before. And then here, I just had one of these. This one's pretty great though. And it's got like a little opening. Oh, that is so fun. I love his expression for $4. We'll take that. And then here, the little pink duck. That's pretty fun. It's a goose figurine and it's pink. It's also 20% off. We'll take that as well. And then the little cat in a box. That's really sweet. That comes to $4. I'll take that as well. Looks like some of this stuff is switched out too. Little hobnail opalescent box, $12. That's a good price for that. Little moon and stars compote at $12. Some green glass. I just had one of those opalescent boxes, even though it's such a good price. I try not to get the same of so many things, unless it's like dirt cheap. That's kind of cool. And then this one's Chinese, but it's really neat. No, Hong Kong, that's, I wouldn't have thought that. That's neat. Cat bank, $6. Niagara Plastics. Well, I'll take that. That's pretty great. That's a little bit different than the ones I usually see. It's more of a rubber than a blow mold plastic. That's interesting. I was walking by and I was kind of beelining to the booth next to this, but then I stopped and I saw this. I noticed this. This is really interesting looking. No way. It's Israeli. That's so funny. I feel like $127. Yeah. I mean, it looks and it feels expensive. I feel like ever since Jacob said that thing about Israeli pottery, I've been seeing it more and more and noticing it, but unintentionally, which is why it's so interesting. This is the booth I was gunning for. I do believe that this is a Blanco eggplant. I'm gonna like look up Blanco eggplants right quick because I've only seen it one time, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Yep, that is indeed a Blanco eggplant. It's $15, 20% off, $12. That is what I would call a no-brainer. Oh, look at the cat letter holder. That's so funny. Oh, only sale on over 20. I could make a couple bucks off that, but maybe not enough to justify that. It's so fun though. Yeah, I could definitely make a few bucks, but I had one not that long ago. And then this one over here, the Fenton's really lovely. 26. Over here, this is still kind of sticking out to me. I looked at this last time. Oh my gosh, it's a giant Cats by Nina vase. I can't remember what my last one sold for. I want to say it was good money. This one's $16.50. Requires a lot of packing material, but I want to say my last one sold for like $40 or something. I'm also super into this. I'm like cradling this eggplant. I'm super into this teapot. It's German. That is cool. hold on, let me do some homework on this. I am super attracted to this, and I've looked and looked, and I don't see anything even close to it. I see a lot of their coffee pots go for good money, but nothing like this. They're more like classic, kind of Victorian Baroque style. That is like as mid-century as it gets. I'm wondering how well it would sell. It's in pristine condition. It's just so cool. Again, it would cost a lot in packing materials, but it's really freaking cool. I don't really know what to do about it. It's $25 and 15% off over 20 unless marked firm. So that actually changes things. Yeah, so for $22, it's just so cool. I think I'm going to take it. It's not convenient, but I mean, this camera like isn't even doing it justice. There you go. Look at how appealing that is. Well, another awesome trip to yesteryear. I got some really great stuff. It's been $168 in there, and I don't know what I'm doing now, but I'll see you guys tomorrow.